Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. You will be surprised at the shocking and amazing benefits of cloves I discovered. I know some of us might be aware of the common benefits of cloves, but when I discovered this, I was like, wow, I need to come share it with you guys. Keep watching this video to find out what that benefit is. Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Favour-TheNurseMidwife, and yes, I've come to uncover one hidden benefit of cloves that a lot of us are not aware of. Without beating around the bush, now these cloves, some of you, do you know what cloves is? Okay, I'll show you. This is what it looks like. Yes, that's cloves. It's that thing you usually add when you make your zobo. That's cloves. Now we may be aware of the common benefits. Maybe if you're not, I'll tell you. You know the common benefits of cloves, like helping with toothache, helping with respiratory issues like cold, asthma, mouth odor. Yeah, that's just to mention but a few. Now, what's this hidden benefit? There are two of them. That second one, just look out for it. Look out for it. You'll be surprised. Yeah. The first one I'll say is, clove can help you sleep. For those that are finding it difficult to fall asleep, yes. You just need to make clove water, boil clove in like a kettle, put some cloves into it, boil it and drink that water last thing at night before you sleep. Just come back and let me know in the comment section how you slept that night. Okay, so those that are struggling with sleep, insomnia, try clove water. It's very, very helpful. And that second important benefit is it helps with erectile dysfunction in men. Yeah, I was surprised when I found out that benefit, and I was like, wow, a lot of people are not aware of that, and that's why I'm here to let you know. Yes, so if you're struggling with erectile dysfunction, you're struggling with low sex drive, you're struggling with low stamina, try taking cloves. You can chew cloves raw, just put it in your mouth, chew it, or you can boil it in your tea. You can take the clove tea, or you boil clove in water and drink the water and just enjoy that benefit. And wait, calm down. It's not just beneficial to men alone. You see, women, if you're dry down there, I know you know what I mean. Take clove water. It's really helpful. Yeah, it's very helpful. If you take clove water or you chew cloves, it does a lot of things in the body. It relaxes the nerves, and then helps blood supply to those areas to be very good. And it increases sex drive both in men and women. It increases fertility in both men and women. So in summary, for those that are not aware of other benefits of cloves, one, it helps with cold, cough, asthma, any respiratory problems. You can boil clove water and drink. It helps with that. Another benefit is it helps you sleep well. Now there's this clove oil, so you can either extract it from the clove or you just chew the raw normal clove and you get the oil content. For those that have like swelling, body pain, you can use clove oil. Just add a bit of clove oil in your normal essential oil or olive oil or massage oil and massage your body with the clove oil, and that's the mixture, and you'll notice some relief. It's that helpful. For those of you, my brothers and sisters that have mouth odor, yes, clove itself can help you. So you just need to chew some cloves, wash your mouth, and just rinse your mouth after chewing it. It helps relieve that mouth, that bad smell. So thank you for watching this video up until this point. If you've not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and please support me by liking this video so this video can reach more people, okay, so that YouTube can help push the video out. All right, and if you've not subscribed, please do. I will see you in my next one. Thank you.